What is OConnect? Simplifying the complexities of your business needs with AI services. Connecting the world in an instant. Get access to the most reliable AV conferencing platform engineered to perfection with the best AI business tools. Worldwide connectivity is today's necessity. OConnect, developed by ONPASSIVE, is an HD audio and online video conference tool that provides unmatched clarity and quality to every virtual connect. OConnect comes with a highly detailed dashboard that allows every user to manage and track their activity with utmost ease. With unlimited participant addition to a meeting, and its many features like dual screen share, external link integration, easy invites, and others, the tool simplifies every virtual collaboration. OConnect offers an automated speech-to-text service in multiple languages, bridging any vernacular gap between the participants. Providing seamless connection with unmatched ease, OConnect brings to the fore advantages of AI enablement that enhances the output of every virtual meeting in a world that gets smaller. With distance becoming immaterial as a limitation. OConnect is the best video conferencing software that provides a seamless virtual connect experience with multiple advantages. Equipped with a detailed dashboard, users can track their usage, attendance, and utilize the in-meeting chat options to improve engagement in every connection. The easy-to-understand and manage OConnect secure online meeting software is a perfect addition to your business communication setup. Its high-quality audio and video output make every meeting easy to record and replay anytime needed. Enabled with one-click upload and on-demand view, OConnect gives the best experience to its users each time. The speech-to-text is an essential feature that accurately converts the speech to text using an application programming interface (API). Auto language translation is a feature that makes it easy for regional language speakers to understand the foreign language. OConnect online meeting platform facilitates real-time collaboration, allowing users to opt for dual screen sharing, making it more effective. OConnect aims to provide an easy and better way of staying connected in the virtual world. Key features of OConnect: send invite by email address, direct link to YouTube, integrated links to external URL, attractive chat emojis, schedule events, convert speech to text, auto language translation, hands for watching.